My name is Akash Deep, and I am a second year PhD student at University of Glasgow, and I belong to New Delhi, India. My research focus is the use of machine learning tools in advanced manufacturing process involved in tire production. So we are actively collaborating with Apollo Tires. They are sponsoring the whole PhD. Here we can easily collaborate with other researchers, with other colleagues, which was, I think, lacking back in India. Like here, collaborations are so easy to make. Like for example, if I'm working on something else and I got stuck, so with some problem, I can easily contact my colleagues, and even not colleagues, I can easily reach out my professor about the problem and my industrial collaborator. And finding out solutions are quite easy here at University of Glasgow, which I found. The support from the university is so good. The University of Glasgow also offers other facilities, like one of the very interesting platform, InkPath, in which we can enroll at various courses which are not that technical. For example, last month I attended a course, Networking for Researchers. So apart from this technical field, we are also exploring various another non-technical stuffs which are quite useful in our research journey. People are so nice and generous here, which I feel like on the very first day when I entered in the city, I really it was like 5 stars.